Facebook keeps telling you that you have created too many pages, even though you don't even have any page created on your Facebook. What do you do? Welcome back, guys. My name is Favour Kemjii Okoro, and I want to show you how to fix this common issue where Facebook tells you that you've created too many pages when you're trying to create a Facebook page. And the irony is that you don't even have a single page on your Facebook account. If you have maybe a lot of pages, you could, suggest, or you could think of editing one of your dormant pages to suit what you want. But most people have come to me with this problem. They don't even have a single page on their account, and they don't know why Facebook is doing this to them. So the thing is that we need to fix it, and I found a way you can fix it on your phone and create a Facebook page, even if Facebook keeps telling you that. So now I'm going to go to my Facebook account, show you what I'm talking about, show you how to fix it in a few minutes. Great. This is my Facebook now, and I am going to try to create a Facebook page. You know the normal procedure for creating a Facebook page. You go to your menu, you go to pages, you see all the pages that you handle, but then you click on create at the top, click on get started, put the page name that you want, next, select the category that it belongs to. Make sure you know the category that your business belongs to. Then click on create. Now you're going to see this notification here. If I tap on create, I'll see that notification again. You have created too many pages recently. Please try again later. No matter how many times I keep tapping, they keep telling me that. So what is the solution? How do I create a page? Because I'm sure you need to create a page, and it's important for you to create a page for you to be able to run ads, for you to be able to set up your business account, and a lot of other reasons why you need a page. So I'm going to show you how you can do this. The solution to this right now is by using the web version of Facebook. Yes, the web version of Facebook. You're going to log in on Facebook web. So you go to your browser, preferably your Chrome browser. You go to, now there are two places where this browser thing will work, right? It would work on your Android phone or on a desktop. I tried it on my iPhone, it did not work. So if you have an iPhone, it will not work on your iPhone. Your iPhone will still redirect you back to the app, and it will tell you the same thing. But on an Android phone or on a laptop, a desktop, it would work perfectly. So you have the chance or the option of either using a desktop or using an Android phone. So we're going to go to web.facebook.com. Now I think I'm already logged in. I've logged in before, so it's just going to take me to my Facebook account. But if you've not logged in before, what you're going to do is click on login and put your password. Okay, I'm required to put in my password. I'm going to put it now that it has opened on my web version. What I'm going to do now is to try what I tried before to create a Facebook page, and it's just going to work. So I'll go through the same process. I go to pages, I click on create, click on get started, put the page name, next, put category, next. Then you can see that it has taken me to this place where I can put an address, a city, and all of that. Remember that the other time it didn't even let me get to this point. So you can see that it's working. The other time before I got to this point, they already told me I've created too many pages. So I'm just going to skip this and see now. I can put pictures, I can put cover photo, I can edit it. I'm just going to skip this, and my page has been created. This is it. So I can come here and edit my page, and everything has been done, and it's going to show on my Facebook account that this page has been created. So if you're having issues and Facebook keeps telling you you've created too many pages, here's what I suggest you do. Use an Android phone and go to your browser, and I use Chrome browser. You can download Chrome from your Play Store and go there, click on web.facebook.com, log in with your accurate details, take you to your Facebook account, and then create a page. Or you can use a desktop, a laptop, a computer. You can use yours, you can use somebody's own, you can go to a cyber cafe, just go there, do what you have to do, create as many pages as possible, and then come back. You can now handle those pages, you can manage those pages with your app, as you've been using. I hope this helps you, and if it helps you, please let me know in the comments. If you use it and it works, let me know in the comment that it worked. And of course, make sure you're subscribed to this channel. I'll be using this channel to create videos that help you solve technical issues online and help you make more sales through marketing strategies that work. I'll see you next time. My name is Kemjii. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.